Hello, this is Georgie, James, and Caitlin, and we are junior and senior research assistants for the Health Science Department at Furman University. And we are here to take you through the day in our life. We start our morning off at the PAC, going through literature reviews, journal clubs, and meetings with our research advisor, Dr. Hutchison. We are researching with Prisma Health to measure fatigue in breast cancer patients with the NIRS device. We then break for lunch. We spend the second half of our day at the Cancer Institute in the Human Performance Lab. And that's a day in our life.
Today I will be taking you around my day as a communications research fellow. I start by hopping on a Zoom with my professor, Dr. King, and going over the tasks that I need to accomplish for the day. Next, I headed over to the library to pick up some books I ordered online. My research is focused on the portrayal of Black culture in television sitcoms. I checked out my 4 books and walked back to my apartment to sit down and watch 6 episodes of Blackish that I watch every day. As I watch, I sort the examples of social justice issues in the show into a chart so that we can see which episodes to focus on in our research. After that, I continue to work on analyzing articles for the rest of the day in order to prepare for our paper that we will write in the upcoming week. And that's my day as a communications research fellow.
Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm a junior public health and political science double major on the pre-law track at Furman. This summer, I'm interning with Prisma Health and South Carolina Legal Services with their Medical Legal Partnership Program. The program supports people who make below the poverty line with legal issues that impact their health, specifically children and the elderly. Some common ones we get are Social Security and Medicaid cases, along with guardianship and power of attorney cases. On the average day, I go to both the legal office and the Prisma office. I help make phone calls to clients and their doctors, fill out legal paperwork, sometimes go on field trips to visit the clients, do research on the cases, and I get to observe the court cases that I assist with. It has been an impactful experience to directly see the struggles people in the Greenville community face, and sometimes very sad, but rewarding to be able to help. And that's the day in the life of a Medical Legal Partnership intern.
A day in the life of a Furman chemistry research student. My name is Morgan and this is my lab partner Josh. In the morning we wake up, cook breakfast, and then head over to our lab in Filer. We work in the basement and specialize in analytical chemistry. This is our research advisor, Dr. Gilliland, who we brainstorm with to plan out the rest of our day. Following planning, we start sample preparation. We analyze amino acids by adding proteins into centrifuge tubes. Then we place them in a microwave reactor. This will digest the proteins so we can analyze them. The samples we digested are then dried under nitrogen. We dried them using an attachment that we designed and 3D printed ourselves. Around 12, we take a lunch break. After lunch, Dr. Gilliland helps us design an analysis method using our high-pressure liquid chromatograph and mass spectrometer. We analyze data, make graphs, and then we hit the gym. Feel free to come visit us down here in the Gilliland lab, and that was...
Hi, I'm Allie, a senior German and philosophy major, and this is a day in my life as a law firm intern. In the morning, I usually make breakfast and pack my lunch. Then, depending on the weather, I either walk or drive to work. Today, I'm walking. When I get to work, I go to my office and check what I need to get done that day. Today, I'm researching visas and creating a document for one of our clients. But I also do a lot of filing and filling out immigration forms and pretty much anything else anyone needs help with. When I need a break from sitting at my desk, I can grab some tea and go outside for a walk. I also usually bring my own lunch when we aren't having a special lunch at the office. Now it's back to work. Today was one of the paralegals' birthdays, so I convinced everyone from the immigration department to say hi while we were gathered for cake. AGG is really fun to work at, and I'm so excited about working with the immigration team as I gain experience that will help prepare me for law school after I graduate. Thanks so much for watching, and that's a day in my life.